Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download market reports from Redfin for neighborhood investment decisions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Redfin website. Once the page loads, navigate to the search bar located at the top of the site. Enter the name of the neighborhood you're interested in. Press the enter key to initiate the search. The search results will display properties listed in that neighborhood. Look for the Market Insights tab, usually found near the top of the page. Click on this tab to access valuable market data for that neighborhood. Once on the Market Insights page, you will see various statistics and trends. Scroll down to view key information such as median home prices and sales trends. Locate the Download Market Report option, usually on the right side of the page. Click on the Download Report button. A window will pop up asking for your email address. Enter your email address in the provided field. Click the Submit button to receive the report. Check your email for the report, which will be sent as a PDF attachment. Open the email and download the attached PDF file. Review the market report to make informed investment decisions. Feel free to return to the Redfin site for further research and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.